What's going on, rock stars? Welcome to the channel. It is Monday again, January 27th, 2025, and it is almost the end of the month, which means your 1099s, W-2s, and all of your tax information and paperwork is due to be delivered to you either electronically or in the mail in the next couple of days this week. And that means a lot of people outside of the reselling world are going to get tax returns, refunds very soon, all month long, February into March and even into April, which means some people will have money to splurge spend, hopefully on your inventory. And so I want to do a video today about how you can make the most money possible in February and March leading into April, this 90-day period when tax season is here and people actually get refunds and money. Now, we all have talked about the economy being slow, people needing money to pay for groceries and gas and mortgages and car payments and all those sort of priorities. However, it seems that even though people might have other priorities for money, when tax season comes along, and I think you guys can add this in the comment section if you agree with me or not, people send that money to places that it probably shouldn't go all the time. They might buy big screen TVs for the Super Bowl, or they might go on a vacation. They might get a $5,000 refund. And instead of paying off a credit card or two that would save them a few $100 a month in bills that they would make up for, or paying off their $5,000 car payment or whatever it is that they owe, they go on a vacation for $3,000 or $4,000, right? And they go and have a nice dinner and they go out on the town for the weekend and spend $1,000. And so unfortunately, that is what a lot of people do with that money. But that's kind of a good thing for those of us that are resellers, because they're online and they might see that extra few $1,000 in their bank account and go, hey, I can buy that extra shirt or those extra pack of Pokemon cards or that extra PlayStation game or whatever it is you have for sale. So it's really important that you take advantage of this time period, because people will be shopping and they will be buying. I always get asked after Christmas, is it really slow after Christmas? Sales slow down? And generally January is not so great, but people do have gift cards that they get for Christmas, right? And they spend that in January. People have Christmas cash and people love to buy stuff that they didn't get for Christmas. So January is not always that bad. It's not terrible, right? And then that tax money starts coming in February and March. And so this time period is generally good. You see that fourth quarter spike, and then you see after the first of the year is not bad. It's always summer slowdown. We know that, but we got 6 months till that happens, 5-6 months. So let's take advantage of when there is money and there is spending and get all of our inventory listed. I'll show you guys while I'm standing here. Actually, let's pull this. We've got a couple of bins of sports cards and Pokemon cards. Doesn't look like a lot, but actually it's 2 rows on each side. And it's like 500 cards per. So these 2 bins have like 1,000 pieces in them. And then we have over 2,000 postcards. We have 4 bins of those. Those also hold like, I think 500 or 600 each. So we get about 2,000 to 2,200 in those. So we've been crazy listing. And the idea is just to get all that inventory up. Everything that you see over my shoulder is all listed and active. So we are trying to crank out sales and take advantage of that as much as possible. Unfortunately, we have about 50,000 pieces of inventory right. Yeah, that doesn't look like a lot, but it is 50,000 pieces of Pokemon cards, sports cards, and postcards. We simply just don't have the time to list them, even though we can list them so quickly. It's a lot. It's 50,000. And what's funny is that's not even the half of what we have. These boxes have a couple thousand in them each. There's 3 over there. And then I think there's like 5,000 per box, 6,000. There's 6 more. You can't see them, but they're in the back there. I think we have a total of 9 boxes. We have another one here. We have some here. We have well over 200,000 pieces of cards, just card inventory. It's just so much. I'm going to have to bulk wholesale it out to some of you guys for like 10, 15 cents a piece. I don't know, 20 cents a piece, just to get them out the door. I'll put some of it on my wholesale site if you guys want to check it out. I'll link it below. You can go check that out. Also on that wholesale site is individual items, like great treasures from all over the internet and other eBay sellers and other great vintage and treasure pieces. Go check that out. Bookmark that site. I add to it every single day, so you never know what you'll find on that site as well. The point is, get the inventory up, get it listed, and make money, because right now people will be spending their tax refund money for the next 30, 60 days, all the way up to 90 days into April. So don't let anybody tell you that sales are dead in February and March. Valentine's, if you sell jewelry right now, you should have it up. People can get it and get it shipped to them in time for a special day. Valentine's Day is a big money day. Lots of, like St. Patrick's Day, if you sell that sort of stuff, clothing that goes along with that, red dresses. Maybe guys want to buy a nice red dress shirt if you have it. Think about this stuff. Always be thinking about what we have going on during that current month and time period, and what holidays are going on, what special events are coming up, what people need clothing for, what they need jewelry for, what they might need a nice pair of shoes for to go out on Valentine's Day to a nice dinner. Maybe you sell nice dress shoes, or you sell a nice pair of high top tennis shoes that will match their cool red shirt that they bought. There's all kinds of endless reasons people might buy something, especially again now when they have that tax refund money. So keep that in mind. Always remember that you have to sell what people want, not what you care about and what you like and what you think is going on. Worry about what's going on in the world with your potential buyers. That's what's most important. So that's my message for all of you guys today. I appreciate it. Again, that website below, I'll put some wholesale lots of Pokemon, sports cards, postcards, remotes that we have left. There's dozens of other wholesale lots from other sellers. I'll put all that up along with the individual ones. You can search by categories. It's super easy and cool. Bookmark it, because I'm going to add hundreds of items a week to it. It's down below in the description box. I'll put it in the pinned comment as well. And let me know, what is the best thing you sold in January so far as we close out January? It's the 27th. What's the best thing you sold? How has January been for you for sales? Let me know. And also let me know what you're looking forward to with tax refunds. Are you getting money? Are you going to be buying something? Are you pushing real hard to make a lot of sales? Just let me know overall how your January and your 2025 has started. I can't believe I'm already saying we are 1 month, nearly 1 month completed in 2025. I feel like we just had New Year's Eve. So don't let the time fly by. Take advantage of it. It's the only thing we can't get back is time, right? Make all those sales. Hit me up if you need any help. Rockstarflipper@gmail.com, 7 days a week. Check out the wholesale site. There's a lot of other great links down below as well. And finally, if you need help with your taxes as a reseller, Mark II, not your dad's CPA, is a licensed accountant CPA. He's also a reseller with a ton of history and a ton of experience. He specializes in online e-commerce sellers, eBay sellers, Poshmark, Amazon, you name it. That's his specialty. His website is linked below. For 2 more days, he has $80 off his Tax Academy. Learn from the best. Get all the right answers. Get all the correct legal information about 1099s, expenses, deductions, shipping, mileage, you name it. He'll cover it with you. It's below. And Mark's the best. Make sure you tell him I sent you. Rockstar Flipper sent you. And he's an amazing sponsor. So thank him for being awesome to the reseller community. Mark II, not your dad's CPA. Link below as well. Thank you, everyone. And until next time, I will see everyone in the next video. Hit the like button because it helps YouTube algorithm. Subscribe so you do come back and see that next video. And have a wonderful rest of your Monday, January 27th, 2025.